Welcome back, guys, to my channel. Guys, in this video, we are going to record MS 102, which is the replacement of Microsoft MS 100 and MS 102 101. So MS 102 is replacement of these two courses. The course name is Microsoft 365 Administrator Essentials. Guys, in this video, we are going to cover three different exercises in Learning Path 1, Lab 1. We have total of 9. But in this learning path, we will record exercise 1. Then in video 2, we will come with exercise 2, and in video 3, we will come with exercise 3. So in exercise 1, we have 7 different tasks. In task 1, we will see how we obtain the Microsoft 365 credential. Then we will see how we set up our organization profile. Then we will see how we customize our theme and autopilot and pilot project team. Then in task number 4, we will see what is the right management or information right management and how it works for SharePoint Online. And in task 5, we will discuss about the audit logging. And in task 6, we will see what is Graph PowerShell, Microsoft Graph PowerShell. And in 7, we are going to publish the PowerShell script to create and publish a sensitive level. So we'll see what is sensitive level as well. So guys, we have a announcement for all of you. Currently we are offering 50% discount to all the courses you enrolled with us. So if you go to https melikeinfo.com, over there you can go to the course sections and you can select the course you want, and you can send us your requirement, and we will definitely help you to get maximum discount. So thank you. I will also guide you how you can avail this facility. Thank you. So guys, let's switch back to my lab environment. Now So first of all, guys, log into your portal.office.com, and guys, if you have a account already, you can check here. If you don't have the account, guys, I have already uploaded this process before. If you go to the YouTube, So if you want, you can simply go to this site. I have already uploaded this before, okay, in my previous video, the process of creating. Okay, so guys, you can refer here, you can refer to this link, and you can see how we create and configure Microsoft 365 tenant. Okay guys, thank you. So guys, I am requesting you, please subscribe my channel so that you get the latest update. So whenever I will upload any video related to any technologies, you will be notified, and you can uh, go and view your and increase your knowledge level. So thank you. So now switching back to my environment, I have already created my lab environment before. So I just logged in with my global admin profile, and now now guys, you can see that we are in Microsoft 365. Now here you can see that I have logged in as global administrator. This is my global administrator account. Now if you click here home, so you can see that you have applications. Now click on the admin. Click on the navigation menu, and here you have show all. Now here you have settings. So in the settings you have organization setting. If you go to the organization setting, you see this under the services you have organization. Now so if you scroll down, organization profile, sorry, you have the organization profile here. And now on the organization profile, if you go scroll down, you have the organization information, as you can see here. Now you have to specify the name of your organization here, your address, So for example, I'm changing this. Washington, postal code, city, technical contact, preferred language, and save. So once it is done, close. And guys, this informations may take a little bit time to update and reflect. Okay, so here you have the another option, release preference. So you can, if you want, you can actually control the way to manage your or receive your updates. So how often you want to receive the updates from Microsoft related to your product, that you can actually control from here. So as you can see that we have different options there. So here you see this, the default is targeted release for everyone, or you can go with the selected users. So by default it was everyone, so it's different one, it's a standard release for everyone. So if you go with the standard one, then your entire organizations will get the update when Microsoft will release the update for public. But if you go with the targeted release for everyone, so your organization will get the updates early. And if you go with target release for selected user, actually this option is the third option is generally we use in the development environment. So you get the, if you select this option, you will get the update early for your entire organization, but not in the production, but in non-production environment, non-development environment. So if you want, you can go with this one also. Now save the changes. Now select user. So you can define the user who will get this update first. So I say I'm going with Alex, I'm going with Johnny, I am going with Lynn, and I'm going with this. Save. Now close this window. So this is how, guys, we actually customize our or set up our organization's profile. Now create custom theme for your pilot project. So you know what happened when you sign into Microsoft 365. So what happened? It generally display its own photograph if you have already supplied, or it will display initial if no photographs are actually displayed. For example, you can see no photograph is there, so you can see the initials. Now as an administrator, you are not satisfied with this environment. You want to create a custom theme for your members as a part of the process or the pilot project. You say that user sign in with user's name, and if the pilot project team members log in, they will configure similar type of options. Means we want, as a administrator, you want your users to apply the same type of default theme, custom theme. So you want to associate the theme with one or more 365 group or Microsoft 365 group. So this is what you want. So if you want this, first of all, you have to create or you have to meet some prerequisite. For example, you have to create a Microsoft 365 group for your members for the pilot project, and then you have to create and associate a custom theme with that group. So to achieve this requirement, let us log into our Microsoft 365 Admin Center. As you can see that I am already there. I am already there in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Guys, if you not, just log into admin.microsoft.com. And here you see this teams and groups. Expand this and you have active team and group. And you can see that there are different type of group. Team and Microsoft 365 group, distribution list and security group. By default, Teams and Microsoft 365 group is selected. Now Add a group. Add a Microsoft 365 group. Now specify a name. Specify a name for the group and the descriptions you want. Then say next. You need to define the owner. Owner is the user who will actually manage this group. So select the owner you want. It is recommended that you should have at least 2 owners per group. So we have selected one user as a owner of this group. Add. Say next. And now we have the members. Click on the member, add member. Select the users. Now there are 10 users in this group. 10 members. Say next. Now if you want, you can add other users also. Next, here in the group email, we say this is our group email. Privacy, private. Now do you want to create a team? So yes, we want to create a team also. Say next and create group. Close. Now refresh this console and check that the group has been created successfully. Okay, and the team has been created successfully as well. Now switch back to Microsoft 365 Admin Center, Settings, Organization Profile. So all, Settings, Settings, Organization Profile, and here you see this custom custom tags for application. Yeah, sorry, it was up there. And add themes. Click on add themes. You have to specify a name for the theme. And then you have to select the group you want. And you can select up to 5 groups at a time. So our pilot group. And now here you see this, show the user's display name. Now scroll down. You have logos. Click on logo. And you have to specify the link for the logo. If you want to define your color, okay, you can define your color as well. Okay, you can define your color. You can see. So you can define your color. So you have different options, what color you want for the icons and the text, your accent color. So depending on your requirement, you can change the colors. You can see this. So you can change the color. Save the changes you have made. Now select custom theme, default theme, and you can see this. the theme which we have just created. So currently we have two themes. So click on the select default themes. And if you want, you can select this option also. By default, it is not selected, as you can see that. So select this option. So it will apply to all the users. So if you want, save the changes. Otherwise, keep it. So I just close this one. Now guys, we are going to discuss about information right management. Information right management for SharePoint Online. Information right management actually is also known as like on-premise environment. We call it ADRMS, Active Directory Right Management Service. But on cloud, it is information right management. If you enable right management or information right management, you can protect informations for Exchange server, SharePoint, and we will discuss about this one actually in lab number 7 in later on. Okay, but when you enable information right management, it takes around 60 minutes, like 1 hour, to enable this process. So we are just going to see how we enable, but in lab number 7 we will see how to work with the information right management. So make sure guys you have already logged into your Microsoft 365 admin center. I am just going to verify. Yes, we are there already. Click on show all. And click on the SharePoint. A new tab will open. So it is redirecting us to SharePoint admin center. Wait. Take a tour. Now, here you have the setting. Click on the setting. Can you see this? Can't find the setting you are looking for. Go to the classic setting page. So click on this option. And here you have information right management. What it is there? By default it is disable. Use this service. Refresh RMS setting. And click OK. Now let's go back to close this and go back to our setting page. Now we are in the setting. Just let's verify once. So this will take around 1 hour. Okay. So we just enable this one here. And we learn how we enable information right management. Now let's go for turn on audit logging. So to do that, make sure you are already logged into Microsoft 365 Admin Center and you have logged in as the global admin. And here you have the security option. If you click here, it will redirect you to the security.microsoft.com. You can see this. Click on the navigation. And here you have Microsoft Defend 365 Defender. Go to the security. Microsoft 365 Defender. Okay. Do you see audit, audit, audit? Microsoft 365 Defender. We are there already. That's it. Yeah. Click on audit. Sorry. Click on audit. Now it may take little bit time. So there is no information appeared. It is already enabled. So no further action is required. Now we are going to install Microsoft Graph PowerShell. To do that, first of all, open PowerShell, Windows PowerShell. And then run the command install module Microsoft.graph scope current user. Yes to all. Waiting for the task to get completed. So waiting to get this task completed. It is done. Now I say get install module Microsoft Graph, and you can see that our module has been installed successfully. So now let us set our execution policy. So yes to all. But this setting is not for production, guys. Please don't set this unrestricted in production environment. Now we are going to implement our sensitivity level. So how we actually enable and create sensitivity level, and that sensitivity level policy, we are going to do that, learn that. Actually we are creating the sensitivity level policy for our later use, okay, in the lab, not in this lab, but later on we will use. So we have a script which we are going to just run, and which will actually help us to create the sensitivity level and publish it. And then we will see how we like testing. Actually, you know what, where sensitivity level may take around 24 hours to publish or propagate. So to save our future time for our future labs, we need to just enable it today, okay, or in this module. So if I go here, documents, and you can see that there is a folder lab setup, and we have lab setup.bat. So if you right click, edit, don't run. So if you run this one as administrator, run run always. So it is setting up our lab environment. So it will take around 1 to 2 minutes to complete this process. Waiting for this process to get completed. Okay guys, as you can see that the process has completed. The setup, lab setup failed. Sign in. So sign in, enter the password. So we are going to run it again. So guys, I have logged in. Okay, now I'm closing this one. Something going wrong. Actually, this lab has a time period. Okay, time is time for 5 minutes, and we need to actually specify the password, username, password within 5 minute time frame. sign in again. Yeah, you can see that lab setup, it is again failed. Something is going wrong. So now guys, you can see that lab setup completed successfully. Now it is going to exit, so click OK. So guys, this will take around 24 hours to implement. So thank you guys for watching this video guys. Please, this is my first video of MS 102 series, and guys, please subscribe my channel and keep updated, and like my videos and share this video link with your friends and your colleagues. Thank you guys. Bye bye.